Do you know water has memory? Yes, you heard me right. Water can absorb the thought of human being. Let me show you something. This is Dr. Masaru Emoto from Japan. He experimented a lot with the water molecules. He used to collect water from different places, from lake, from river, sewage, then tap water, and he used to crystallize the water and he used to see the forms. So once in his experiment, what he did, he took one water sample and then he divided the sample in 3 test tubes and he kept 3 test tubes in 3 different places. And he used to go to each test tubes, and in test tube number 1 he used to tell some good words, and in the test tube number 2 he used to say some abusive words, bad words, and the test tube number 3 he used to avoid. After doing this activity for 2 to 3 minutes, he used to crystallize the water and he used to see the molecules, and you will be amazed to see what he found. Let me show you more. So his research findings tells that actually water can recognize everything. See, this water molecule which you are observing is before offering a prayer. Okay, can you see any proper structure there? It is not synchronized, right? It is little distorted. But after offering a prayer, the same water molecule created a synchronized structure. Then he said thank you to some water sample and this structure is created. When he said, "You make me sick, I will kill you," see, this has become distorted, no structure at all. This is again love and appreciation. Nice structure again created, no? Now see, all these are his experiment. He said lover, he said om, namaste, love and happiness, innocence. So all these good words created some synchronized structure on the water molecule. See, the eternity, honest, respect, love and gratitude. I cannot. When he said I cannot, the molecule is distorted. Then I can. I love you. Stupid. Totally distorted. He has taken water from polluted lake from Japan. This is also distorted. Here see, again a river water, Fujiwara Dam, heavy metal music. When you listen to very heavy metal music, that also distorts the water. That is the reason some people do not like heavy music. That brings headache to them. Now see, Fujiwara Dam water. What a difference, no? Before offering a prayer and after offering a prayer. What a difference. See, sun, coral, lake, waterfall. So sun means like water which was kept under the sun. He has taken water from coral reef and then from lake, waterfall. Here, see, he played Beethoven or Mozart and see the water structure so nicely organized and synchronized. But when he played rock music, again the water is distorting. Now imagine our body is 70% water. Yes, your body, my body, all human beings are 70% water. Now if we think anything negative, who is going to get impacted? We are the one, right? Because when we are thinking something negative, the water molecules inside our body is going to get affected, it is going to get distorted, and then we will be getting some uneasiness in our body, some stress, some disease. This is the reason when we are angry, we do not feel good at all. We feel anxious. Next time, whenever you get angry with some person and in your mind you are just thinking about that person and telling some bad word to that person, in your mind you are doing this, you are going to affect yourself only. So please check your emotions, check your thoughts before you give any negativity to yourself, because this negativity is going to impact you badly. You know why people say prayer before eating food? This is the reason, because food has water in it, right? So once you get the food, you just send some good vibes, good thoughts for 1 to 2 minutes. Just say, thank you God for giving me healthy food. This food is going to give me nutrition. Thank you so much, God. Do this from now onwards. Especially when you are going to eat outside. When your family members are cooking food for you, definitely they will cook it from their heart. But if some other person is going to cook it for you, you don't know what is going on in their mind, right? If they are thinking something negative in their mind, then that is going to impact, that food is going to impact you. It's always better to pray before you eat food. And praying means you are giving good thought to that food. Imagine in a house there are 10 members. All of them are thinking similarly. Do you think there will be much collision in the house? No, right? But imagine these 10 persons are always thinking in different way. Every decision they need to take, all of them will be coming up with their own idea. Do you think the environment of the house will be pleasurable? Conflicts must be there, right? Very true. Similar thing happens with our body too. When we start thinking too much negative things, all the water molecules inside our body gets distorted. It becomes structureless. It is not in alignment. In yogic culture, people says that while eating food, you are not supposed to watch TV or have any kind of screen time. Because when you are eating food, some violence or some negative thing is going on the TV. Sometimes it happens, we don't give much attention to it. Some negative words people are using, some negative scenes are going on. That is going to impact your mind. Whatever you are going to process in your mind that time, that thought process is going to be absorbed by the water molecules of the food. And if these things occurs many times, then you will be not able to digest that food properly. Have you heard of this term nowadays? Lactose intolerant or gluten intolerant. You know how it impacts? Suppose a kid is going to drink milk, and there are some program is going on the TV in which people are saying some negative words, people are fighting, and the kid is drinking the milk that time. That thought which is going on the TV, the water molecules of the milk is catching those thoughts. And then what is happening when the child is drinking that milk, somehow he will not feel good. His subconscious will say, no, this food is not good. And if this process happens many times, then the brain will think, okay, whenever the child is drinking the milk, his mind is not giving a positive vibe. That means there is some problem with the milk. And this is how the child grows the lactose intolerance. So this is the reason when we eat food, we are not supposed to watch TV. Now I'm going to teach you how to charge water, how you can make any water blessed water which you find in temples or any religious places. Now I'll be showing you how to charge water and make a simple water a blessed one. So first you need to take a glass of water and you need to keep your hand over the water. And now you need to purify it and then charge it and then give some good thoughts. So for purifying the water, you need to rotate your hand anti-clockwise. Okay? Anti-clockwise you rotate 21 times. While rotating your hand, you just imagine all the negativity from this water is coming out. It is coming out in the form of black smoke. Okay? Just rotate your hand 21 times slowly. You don't need to count it. Just do it for few times. Okay? Once it is done, you are going to now rotate your hand clockwise 21 times. And imagine a bright divine light is coming into the water and charging it. Once done 21 times, keep your hand over it and give some good thoughts. Like you are very healthy, active, energetic, productive. Whatever you are doing whole day, everything is accomplishing successfully and your whole day is going very well. You have to say it in a present tense. or past tense. Don't use future tense that I am going to stay healthy. No, you say I am healthy. Already you are healthy. You have to give this affirmation to the water. You have to say I am healthy. All the members of my house are healthy. We all are living in happiness, harmony, peace, and unity. All my work are accomplishing successfully. Wherever I'm going, everybody is liking me, and I am having good conversation with people, and my house is full of positive energy. All my plants are very lively, and like this you give some positive affirmation for 2 to 3 minutes, and then say thank you. Definitely you must say thank you to the water. Thank you, water, for giving us life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now you can drink this water. This water has become a blessed water now. So this is how you need to charge water. Once you get up in the morning, you drink a glass of water, right? So now today onwards, you are going to charge the water before drinking it. You are going to practice this every day, and you are going to write in the comment box that how you are feeling after doing this activity. Thank you everyone. Stay healthy and be happy.